Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Amir Aimannulhakim bin Mohamad Alias. Welcome to my final year project presentation with the title of the evaluation on physiological properties of fresh cut watermelon with modified polyethylene film packaging. I hope you guys enjoy my presentation. Okay, let's start with the introduction. As we know, watermelon or Citrus lanatus can be consumed raw or as fruit juice or mixed with salad. The mature watermelon has a moisture content about 91% of its edible weight, and its shelf life of the fresh cut watermelon is very short, which is within 3 to 5 days, while whole watermelon can last to 4 weeks. Fruit sellers often sell watermelon as whole, cut in half or ready to eat fresh cut watermelon. However, sellers struggle to maintain the freshness and shelf life of fresh cut watermelon as it deteriorates easily in short time. The problem statement for the study is fresh cut watermelon has a very short shelf life. The second one is it cannot be stored for a long period because of high in moisture content. The third one is the watermelon need to keep in refrigerator, but it will consume more power for the fruit seller. And the last one is seller only use conventional LDPE plastic bag and polyethylene film packaging without treatment. Moving on to the objective, the first one is to determine the weight loss of fresh cut watermelon packed with 4 types of packaging after 3, 6, and 9 hours. The second objective for this study is to investigate the sweetness level of fresh cut watermelon packed with 4 types of packaging after 3, 6, and 9 hours. And the last objective for this study is to analyze the firmness level of fresh cut watermelon packed with 4 types of packaging after 3, 6, and 9 hours. Let's go to the methodology of the project. First one, the study area is located at the 13 College University Putra Malaysia. 4 types of packaging are used, which is the LDPE plastic bag. The second one is LDPE plastic bag with nanocellulose. The third one is polyethylene film, and the fourth one is polyethylene film wrapping film with nanocellulose. First thing first, 5 watermelon were purchased at Hiromat, Sri Sedang, and then each watermelon were cut into 8 uniform slices. After that, each specimen was weighed and recorded, and the bricks percentage were determined by using refractometer. For the firmness level, it is determined by using penetrometer. And after that, each 2 specimen packed with 4 types of packaging. After the specimen is being packed, all the specimen were put in display board and weighed. Data recorded at 3, 6, and 9 hours. And last one is analyze data for and comparison. This is the detailed description about the packaging. For the specimen 1 and 2, low density polyethylene LDPE plastic bag will be used. For the second one, which is specimen 3 and 4, LDPE plastic bag with nanocellulose. For specimen 5 and 6, polyethylene wrapping film will be used. While for specimen 7 and 8, polyethylene wrapping film with nanocellulose will be used. For the result and discussion, first I would like to show the percentage change result of the specimen. This is the result of specimen in terms of weight loss. 5 tables represent 5 samples. As we can see, each sample show very result after 9 hours. Same goes to the sweetness level and also for the firmness level. However, if we look to one way ANOVA result, we can see that low density polyethylene packaging is the best packaging for weight loss maintained, while polyethylene wrapping film with nanocellulose is the best packaging for maintaining the sweetness level and firmness level. Note that the p-value which less than 0.05 will have significant difference between the group, which 0 hour and 9 hour is used for this ANOVA, while the p-value of more than 0.05 will have no significant difference between groups. For the weight loss, we can see that all packaging have p-value more than 0.05, but low density polyethylene packaging has the least p-value among them. In terms of sweetness level, polyethylene wrapping film with nanocellulose has the least p-value among other packaging, and the p-value is lower than 0.05. Same goes to the firmness level of polyethylene wrapping film with nanocellulose, which is 9.25 times 10 to the power of -8. For the conclusion, we can see that LDPE plastic bag is the best packaging to control the decrement of weight loss, and polyethylene film with nanocellulose is the best packaging to maintain the firmness level and also the sweetness level of the fresh cut watermelon. So the question is, which one is better, LDPE plastic bag or polyethylene film with nanocellulose? Each packaging has its own advantage and also the disadvantage. The advantage of LDPE plastic bag is cheap and affordable. Also, it is easy to get and can minimize the weight loss of fresh cut watermelon. However, it cannot maintain the sweetness and firmness level of fresh cut watermelon. And the other disadvantage of LDPE plastic bag is specific size of bag needed for specific cut of watermelon. For polyethylene film with nanocellulose packaging, it can maintain the firmness and sweetness of watermelon. It is also easy to get and fit to any shape of fresh cut watermelon. However, the price of the packaging are higher than LDPE bag, and it cannot minimize weight loss of fresh cut watermelon. For the recommendation of this project, the research can be made with different varieties of watermelon with numerous samples or with different type of fruit. The second one is the future research also can be made with different temperature and duration of display. And the last one is the future research can use more accurate and precise laboratory devices. The impact on society and environment to the result of the study are this type of packaging are affordable and easy to use. The nanocellulose does not affect the texture of fruit as it is safe and edible. The packaging are food grade so that consumers do not have to worry about food poisoning. This study also helped to improve the freshness and shelf life of watermelon. And this study also helped to minimize food wastage. For the environment aspect, the LDPE plastic bag is recyclable. Consumer must be aware with the reuse, reduce, and recycle practice, because if it's not disposed properly, it could affect the environment, which is the plastic pollution. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys enjoy my presentation, and thank you very much.